Today, I'll be showing you how to make a personal cake in your microwave. First, pour 2 tablespoons of melted butter into a small bowl. Add another 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and mix it up well. Toss in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of sugar directly into the bowl. Make sure you once again mix it all well. Combine 3 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt, and another pinch of baking powder. For the last time, we're now going to mix it all up and pour the mixture into a cup. Put this into the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Once it's all done cooking, add some ice cream, a couple of chocolate chips, and finally chocolate syrup. Enjoy!